And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go ahead and break that down. If you notice, we held for the first 2 counts, just so you and your partner can have a chance to hear a beat or 2 before you start walking forward. But we have the leader on the right side and the follower on the left side, and the follower's hand is just going to be on top in the leader's. So we hear those first 2 counts and we wait. 1, 2. On count 3, we both start with our inside foot forward with about 3 quick, fast steps. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on count 6, we're going to come together, hand in hand. And then from here, we're going to keep that momentum going. Follower, you're going to turn clockwise. Leader, you're going to turn counterclockwise to end back to back, hand in hand. And you finish that out on 6, 7, 8. Now from here, we're both going to take 2 sways starting with our back leg. So for the follower, that's your left leg. For the leader, that's your right leg. We go sway and then forward sway. And then we're going to disconnect the same way that we came from to come hand in hand one last time. And then we'll do a little up and over rainbow towards the back of the dance floor. 7, 8. Some tips for that are you want to keep your knees bent and try to keep your arms loose. If you both try to straighten up and stiffen up, it'll be really uncomfortable. So you just kind of cross, leader with your right leg, follower with your left leg across. Bend those knees to finish facing one another. So one more time from the top, we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 2, 2, 3, 4. Disconnect 6, rainbow 8. Next we have our pattern 1, which is our swing section.